Hey dollies, hope you guys are great. So today we're sponsored by Ali Pearl Hair. I'm gonna show you guys the beautiful curly wig that we have for today. But first I gotta show you the goodies because it always comes with the goodies. Okay, so the bonnet I already had on because it was pink and so cute. Had 2 wig cap and we have the clippers and then this band to lay your wig flat. Obviously a brush also, and these are the details of the hair. Density of the hair is 250 and with the length being 24 inches. So these are the curls, guys. They look absolutely gorgeous. Honestly, when they came in, they're already to be put on my head because obviously with the lace being HD, there's nothing really much to do. So usually for normal laces, they usually use like 3 to 5 hairs in one hole, but for this one specifically, they use only 1 to 2 hair in one hole. Hence you guys can see the lace is highly undetectable. Like what lace? To begin with the installation, I'm just gonna push back the hair, brush it off if I can. I also use the same clipper. They grip so perfectly. So usually I struggle with cutting the lace while the hair is still on my head. I just cut it off camera and where you guys cannot see it because it's much easier for me in that way. And then I started by installing. So what I usually do is wait for the glue, but today I decided to use a hair dryer. If there's one thing I will say about this lace and this hair is that it's very soft, so I believe that it's very beginner friendly. I am always getting questions like how do I maintain my curls, and what I will say is, guys, always use conditioner and water. It's always like a safer option because I've tried different oils for the curls and they just make it look so oily. Or maybe I should be in a hunt for new oil that will not make my hair look oily, but I do want my hair to also look natural without looking too moisturized, you know. For defining the curls, I used water because that's all it needed, and also I didn't want it to be too wet. I wanted my curls to be dry, so I used a tiny bit of water just to wake up the curls a bit and have them in one place and not all over. Voila, they look alive, healthy and natural. Then it was time for the most difficult step for me, which is laying my edges. I always struggle with that because I'm not really good, but I decided to use edge control because I didn't have the mousse. But I tried, guys. Like, I really tried. I think edges are my favorite, but like I really struggle with them. Watching more tutorials, hoping to be the best, but yeah, so I did a very light edge. I went on with my wig sticks just to lay the hair flat, and I also went in with my hot comb after that. And then I did go in with a bit of concealer just to define my middle part. And also guys, I did a middle part and it looks so nice on me. Please comment down below. Like, I know you guys always say I must do it, and I'm always like scared of the middle line, but I feel like with this hair it allowed me, and I look absolutely gorgeous. I'm a lion. You're gorgeous. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning in, and I will have all the wig details down below for you guys, just in case you guys are interested. And thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you guys on my next video. I had to stand up to show you the back, the length, the curls. They look absolutely nice. I am so in love with this wig, guys. Like, I actually loved how it turned out.